Our top story tonight, another inch closer to normal life. The CDC sent out new recommendations for people who are fully vaccinated. Thanks for being here for KION News at 5 o'clock. I'm Aaron Groff. Here is what this top health agency says can be done. Those who are fully vaccinated can gather with other vaccinated people in small groups without wearing masks or social distancing. They could also visit low-risk unvaccinated people in single households without masks or distance as well. But the CDC does recommend they wear masks and practice social distancing in public. Travel recommendations also remain the same, so testing and quarantining is still what's advised nationwide. We have team coverage for you tonight. KION's Jocelyn Ortega standing by with a reaction to this new recommendation in Santa Cruz County. Important to note, California has not changed our guidelines yet. But we first start with Skylar Henry on Capitol Hill with the details in this top story tonight.
President Biden visited with veterans receiving their coronavirus vaccines Monday afternoon.
We're going to reach 100 million doses pretty soon. But we have to focus more on getting to the neighborhoods that are at-risk neighborhoods.
This comes as the CDC has issued new guidelines for those who have already been fully vaccinated.
As more Americans are vaccinated, a growing body of evidence now tells us that there are some activities that fully vaccinated people can resume at low risk to themselves.
Under the CDC recommendations, people fully vaccinated can now gather with other vaccinated people in small groups without wearing masks or social distancing. However, the CDC is asking vaccinated people to continue to wear masks and practice social distancing while in public, and they are still advising people to avoid medium and large in-person gatherings.
Still, over 90% of the population is not yet vaccinated, and that is our responsibility to make sure, in the context of 60,000 new cases a day, that we protect those who remain unvaccinated and remain vulnerable.
New money for a national vaccination program is included in the president's American Rescue Plan, which the Senate passed over the weekend and is now headed for a final vote in the House.
We'll be having a further discussion about this bill as we move forward to its passage in the next 48 hours.
The bill includes $1,400 stimulus checks for many Americans. Other elements include a child tax credit of up to $3,600 per child, as well as a $34 billion expansion of Obamacare subsidies.
These people in the Congress today, the House and the Senate on the Democratic side, are out of control liberals.
Not a single Republican in either chamber has voted to support the bill. Skylar Henry, CBS News, Capitol Hill.